Over 50? These foods can support your energy, bones, and digestion, and they're all recommended by dietitians. Let's dive into these power foods that are especially beneficial as we age. First up, for gut health, bone support, and a great source of fiber, we have kiwi, Greek yogurt, prunes, and flaxseed. Kiwi is packed with vitamin C. Greek yogurt provides protein and calcium. Prunes are a classic for digestive regularity, and flaxseed offers fiber and healthy fats. Next, to boost your brain immunity and calcium intake, think about adding blueberries, mushrooms, canned sardines, and kale to your meals. Blueberries are famous for their antioxidants. Mushrooms, especially when exposed to sunlight, can be a source of vitamin D. Sardines are a powerhouse of calcium and omega-3 south. And kale is a nutrient-dense green that's fantastic for overall health. Finally, for healthy fats, protein, and hormone support, consider walnuts, avocado, and edamame. Walnuts are excellent for brain health. Avocado provides creamy, healthy fats that keep you full and satisfied. And edamame is a wonderful plant-based protein source. So, how can you easily incorporate these into your diet? Let's break it down with some simple ideas. You could start your day with a smoothie. Blend some Greek yogurt with a handful of blueberries, a spoonful of flaxseed, and maybe some kale. It's a quick, easy, and nutrient-packed way to get several of these power foods in one go. Or try a bowl of oatmeal topped with sliced kiwi, walnuts, and a sprinkle of flaxseed. For lunch, how about a big salad? Start with a base of kale, add some sliced avocado, edamame, and top it with some canned sardines for a protein and calcium boost. If sardines aren't your thing, grilled chicken or tofu works great too. A simple dressing of olive oil and lemon juice ties it all together beautifully. Another great lunch idea is avocado toast on whole grain bread, sprinkled with some flaxseed. When it comes to dinner, you can get really creative. Sautéed mushrooms can be a delicious side dish for almost any meal. You can add them to stir-fries, omelettes, or pasta sauces. A simple dinner could be a baked sweet potato topped with Greek yogurt and chives, served alongside a piece of grilled fish and a side of steamed kale. And let's not forget snacks. A handful of walnuts, a piece of fruit like a kiwi, or a small bowl of edamame are perfect for curbing midday hunger. Prunes are also a great naturally sweet snack that helps with digestion. You can even make your own trail mix with walnuts, dry blueberries, and other nuts and seeds. The key is to make small, sustainable changes. You don't have to eat all of these foods every single day. Just focus on incorporating a few of them into your meals each week. Think about what you enjoy eating and how you can add a little nutritional boost. For example, if you love yogurt, make sure it's Greek yogurt. If you enjoy salads, try adding some kale or walnuts. Remember, eating well after 50 is about nourishing your body to feel your best. It's about having the energy to do the things you love, keeping your bones strong, and supporting your overall well-being. These 11 foods are a fantastic starting point. Which of these foods do you already eat and love? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found these tips helpful, be sure to subscribe and follow for more healthy aging advice. Thanks for watching.